everyone, this is Nikhita. I work for Persistent Systems as a Gen AI delivery lead. Today, we are here to talk about our solution, FinSight. In today's dynamic market, the strategic advantage lies in deciphering vast ocean of financial data. But amidst the sea of numbers, how do organizations navigate towards success? Financial analysts are the guiding compass. Their expertise extends far beyond the interpretation of financial statements. They benchmark against competitors, identify trends, and provide invaluable insights driving strategic decisions. But time is the ultimate currency. The quicker the insights, the sharper the edge in the market. Traditional tools fall short, restricting analysis and stifling creativity. Slow processes hinder adaptability, leading to missed opportunities. Here's where our solution, FinSight, can help. A cutting-edge financial analyst solution that harnesses the power of Gen AI and Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform to revolutionize financial analysis. Leveraging Gemini, FinSight generates comprehensive reports in natural language, empowering users to make informed decisions. No technical expertise is required with FinSight. Anyone can delve into the depths of financial data, unleashing unprecedented agility. Uncover deeper insights, benchmark against competitors, and enhance business understanding, all at unparalleled speed and scalability. Without further ado, let me give you a glimpse of what can be achieved through FinSight. Taking in the documents such as income statements, balance sheet, cash flows, and your 10K earning, we could generate a financial report that would summarize all your assets, liabilities, and how you're doing as a company. If you would like to generate a report for your company, just click on Generate Report, upload your 10K filing, and give the relevant information. But here, I have a couple of reports generated for us. Let's take a look at one of this report. Let's look at NVIDIA and see what is the report looking like. Alright, here is the NVIDIA report. We can see the report started off with the SWOT analysis for the company. You can see your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And also, you have an in-depth analysis going back to 2020 with respect to income, expenses, liabilities, and assets. You could compare how your company has been doing over the past few years. We have some interactive graphs that have been generated. The Gen AI solution has used structured and unstructured data and pulled out the relevant information, summarized this report for us that can be used by anyone in the company. We have income, expense, assets, we have liabilities, and you could take a look at how you've been doing across a couple of years. Not just the report, there is an ability to ask questions over the report that has been generated. For example, if I want to see how the company managed its expenses and what impact it had on its profitability, I could simply ask the question and wait for the solution to answer. In the backend, we scan through all our structured and unstructured data to pull in the relevant blocks of information and summarize the answer for us. This is the new way to empower your decisions, elevate your success, embrace the future of financial analysis with FinSight, powered by Google Cloud's Gemini. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Have a great day ahead.